Hi, hi, hi. Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, hi. No one is saying anything. Only I am saying good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Bagunara, Bagunara. It's good morning. Yeah, because time is of good evening, but I'm meeting you for the first time in the day, so better to say good morning. Yeah, okay, okay. Bagunara, Bagunara, everyone manchi at home. Yeah, it's evening. I know that. I know that it's evening, but when you meet anyone for the first time in the day, you should wish good morning. So that's why I was wishing you good morning. Yeah. So everyone manchi at home. Yeah, very good. बहुत बढ़िया, very good, very good, very good. Yeah. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? What's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? Good morning, good evening. Yeah. After some time you can say good night also, no problem. Yeah. So what's going on at home? Chilling or studying? Kales is going on. Wow, that's a good thing. Class is going on. Very good. When Pansar will take class, he will take class. Don't worry. Studying, sir. Manish is saying that studying, sir. Saranya is saying class is going on. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good, very good. Yeah, okay. And there also in your area also rain is going on. Here rain is also going on. Varshamundi. Akada Varshamundi. విజయవాడలో వర్షం ఉంది. Sure, Harshit, I will ask. In your area, వర్షం ఉంది? Cyclone undi, sir. Okay, windy, yeah. Like that only means varsham kuncham wind chala. Varsham kuncham wind chala. Okay. How is Priya ma'am, sir? No problem. She is good. No problem. Yeah. Kuncham varsham. Here also varsham kuncham wind chala. Okay, no problem. No problem. Yeah. So shall we start with the class? हम लोग भी शुरू करें क्लास. Shall we start with the class? बोल दो एक बार. Yes or no? Shall we start with the class? Yeah, okay. Babu na okay, okay, yeah, okay, Haji sir. बहुत बढ़िया, very good, very good. So we'll start with the class. Can you tell me what we studied in the last class? I think differentiation we completed almost. Chain rule of differentiation I poindi. Did I told you chain rule of differentiation? UV rule I told you, U by V rule I told you, chain rule I told. Chain rule also I poindi. No problem. Differentiation completed. One last thing is there in differentiation that we will study. Then we will start with integration. Yeah, of course, today we have to start with integration. Our focus will be integration. But one last thing is left there, which I will tell you, which will help you in the coming chapter. Which will help you in the coming chapter. Dhyan dena, be focused. Then we will start with integration. Yeah, everyone is excited for integration. No problem. We will also start with integration. But one thing is left in differentiation, which will be used in the next chapter only, where we'll study kinematics, we'll study graph, there it will be used. So then I will tell you here only, just see, okay. Achha, you know, in physics, yeah, okay. So then understand, yeah, okay. Always remember, everything in physics we also analyze with the help of graph. We analyze the things numerically, we analyze the things theoretically, but everything in physics we also analyze with the help of graph. That means differentiation must have some graphical meaning. You know, theoretically differentiation means rate of change of function, but if I'm analyzing a motion graphically, there what differentiation will represent. So always remember, graphically also differentiation has certain meaning. Can you tell me graphically differentiation represents what? You have studied, so I think you can tell what is the graphical meaning of differentiation. Don't ask from Google Anna. You have to tell by yourself. Theoretically, numerically, theoretically, differentiation represents rate of change of the function. But graphically, what differentiation represent? Joshna has said correct, Harika has said correct, Visheshya has said correct, Farida has said correct, and YouTube answer is visible to everyone. Now everyone is saying correct. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Yeah, so always remember, graphically differentiation represents slope of a curve. You can write this point. Tomorrow we'll study displacement time graph. Tomorrow we'll study velocity time graph. Their slope will represent differentiation. Differentiation of displacement means velocity. Differentiation of velocity means acceleration. So that is the point I wanted to tell you. You can write this point. Yeah, you can write this point. Graphically, you can write it as a separate point. Graphically, differentiation represents slope of a curve. Graphically, differentiation represents slope of a curve. And I think everyone knows slope means tan theta. So in bracket you can write tan theta. In bracket you can write tan theta. So again, I will repeat the point, important point. Tomorrow it will be used in many chapters, because you know graph, we plot graph for different situation. So there this thing will help. Graphically, differentiation represents slope of a curve. In bracket tan theta. Understand what I am trying to tell. Understand what I am trying to tell. Just see here. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Graphically means I will plot a graph. You can see graph means I'll be plotting the graph between x-axis and y-axis. Okay, no problem. Any graph I will plot. This is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and this is our graph. This is our curve. This is the curve which you are seeing here. Any equation you can write for the curve. No problem. Yeah. Generally, this is the graph of parabola, but okay, no problem. No need to have the name. Just see here. Yeah. So always remember, theoretically, if anyone asks you, theoretically, if someone came and asked you, theoretically, what is meaning of differentiation? Rate of change of function, which we studied in the last classes. But someone gave you graph and asked you, graphically, what differentiation represent? Slope of the curve. Someone says, sir, what is meaning of slope? For example, if anyone asks you, what is slope of the curve here? So here, if you draw one tangent, that tangent will cut x-axis and will make some angle theta with the x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Theta with the x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. So always remember, slope of curve is tan theta. And that is also dy by dx. That is also differentiation. That is also differentiation. Tomorrow we will use this point in our chapter kinematics, where we'll study about different graph. Is it okay? Will you be able to remember? Differentiation also means slope of the curve. Differentiation also means slope of the curve. That is also dy by dx. Done. Ho jayega. Will you be able to remember? Will you be able to remember? You can draw this diagram. You can draw this diagram. Then we will move further. Yeah, bahut badhiya. Yeah. Graphically, differentiation means slope. Come on, you will filling the blanks. Graphically, differentiation means, come on, say, what is graphical meaning of differentiation? Graphically, differentiation means, come on, Twarga. Graphically, differentiation means, are bolo, slope of the curve. Graphically, differentiation means slope. Graphically, differentiation means slope. Graphically, differentiation means slope. Graphically, differentiation means slope. And slope is also equal to, come on, slope is also equal to tan theta. Slope is also equal to tan theta. I think slope, Sunil sir said to you about slope, I think Sunil sir has given you idea about slope. Yeah, okay, no problem. Bahut badhiya, very good. Yeah, graphically, differentiation represents slope of the curve. Slope also means tan theta. So that is how finally we have completed our part differentiation. Differentiation, E roju differentiation, E saintro, E roju saintro differentiation, అయిపోయింది. Now integration మొదలైంది. ఇప్పుడు integration మొదలైంది. We'll start with integration. Okay, no problem. My Telugu was correct na? ఇప్పుడు integration మొదలైంది. Thank you, Sriram. Okay, no problem, no problem. Almost all words I know. Means if some person speak fast, then only I cannot understand Telugu. Otherwise, okay, slow. I get slow Telugu. I can understand. Who is saying chi for that? Niharika, come on. Yeah, no problem, no problem. So now we'll start with our next part of basic maths, which we complete in today's class, and in the next class we'll try to complete our part of integration. Integration we will try to finish out. So we'll now start with integration. Shuru kare? Okay, no problem, Shatvik. At the end we will think about it. Shall we start with the integration? Shuru kar de? Yeah, बहुत बढ़िया. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So we'll start with our part integration. Just see here. Yeah. Okay. Everything we will study slowly. Yeah. Achha, can you tell me? I told you na differentiation means rate of change of function. Can you tell me integration means what? What is meaning of integration? What is meaning of integration? Tomorrow class will be morning. Yeah. What is the meaning of integration? Can you guess? You have also studied. You can tell. Manish Chala is saying summation of a function. That's correct. Integration means summation of a function. Dhyan dena. Just see here. Yeah, okay. Everyone is having idea, no problem. That is the good thing. Yeah. Always remember, integration is an English word. Integration means integrity. Integrity means unity. Unity means together. Together means sum. In physics, integration means summation of a function. Whenever you have to add many functions together, whenever you have to add many values of one function together, we require a method. That method is integration. Someone says, I am walking on the road, I'm taking different steps, I'm walking for, so someone asked me to add my total distance in a time of 1 hour. There I require a method. That method is integration. Integration is used for summation of a function. You can write this point. It represents summation of a function. 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 Acha, is there any relation between differentiation and integration? Just now we studied differentiation. Now we are studying integration. Is there any relation between them? What is the relation between differentiation and integration? Both are one process. What is the relation? Both are reverse of each other. Don't say opposite. They are reverse process of each other. You can write. It is reverse process of differentiation. Opposite is also correct, but better word is reverse. It is reverse process of differentiation. It is reverse process of differentiation. I'll just give you one simple example. Always remember, if differentiation is a method to climb a tree, integration is the method to come down from the tree. If differentiation, for example, if I say differentiation is a method to close this button, integration is the method to open the button. Both are reverse process. Are you getting my point? If differentiation is a question, integration is an answer. Both are reverse of each other. Are you getting some idea? Yeah. If differentiation is a method of selection, integration is a method of rejection. Both are reverse process of each other. Okay, no problem. So till now, two things I made you clear about the integration. First thing, it represents summation. It represents summation of a function. Second thing, differentiation, integration, both are reverse process of each other. Now, one small point, again, one point I will talk. Yeah, just see here. Yeah. Okay. Acha, for differentiation, I told you graphically differentiation represents slope of a curve, slope of a curve. Integration will also represent something now. Can you think what is graphical meaning of integration? Can you tell me graphically what integration represent? Area of the curve, area of the curve, whatever the area you have studied now, you have studied you from class 2 3, you remember area of a circle is pi r square. Have you ever thought from where that area is calculated? It is calculated with the help of integration. You studied the area of a triangle is half into base into height. How that area is calculated, from where we got that formula? With the help of integration. All the area and all the volume means when we talk in 3D, which we don't have to study now. Yeah, in higher maths people study. Yeah, so for us all the area that you have studied, all those area is calculated with the help of integration. You write graphically, graphically integration represents area of a curve. Graphically, integration represents area of a curve. Graphically, integration represents area of a curve. No problem. So these are the 3 points that we studied related with integration. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See these 3 points. Again, I will revise, then we'll move slowly further. Tell me what is meaning of integration. Theoretically, what is meaning of integration? Theoretically, integration means what? Integration is used for what? Come on, tell me. Integration, come on, type fast. Integration means what? Theoretically, integration means what? Summation of a function. Whenever we have to add small quantities now, and we have to find sum of all quantities now, there we require a method. That method is integration. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Achha, you tell me graphically what is meaning of integration? Graphically kya meaning hai bata do. Graphically integration hai kya meaning hai batao. Chalo, graphically what integration represent? Graphically, what integration represent? Twarga, area of a curve. Every area and volume that you have studied, all of them are calculated only by one method. That is the method of integration. What is the relation between differentiation and integration? Kya relation hai? What is the relation between differentiation and integration? A reverse process of each other. Both are reverse. If differentiation is a method to climb a tree, integration is a method to come down from the tree. Any other example you can give? Any practical example? Very good, bahut badhiya. Any practical example I am not getting in my mind. In the offline class also I was thinking. Some practical example, both are reverse of each other. If differentiation is a method to sleep, acha, jeep also, jeep up and down. Yeah, MK, nice. Yeah. Okay, no problem. If differentiation, okay, Rakesh, it will be sent in the group, don't worry. Yeah. If differentiation is method to sleep, integration is a method to wake up. Is it okay? These 3 points clear? Climbing a ladder and climbing a tree both are same, Baba. You are missing one bio example. Can you guess what is this example? On off a fan. Wow, nice. That is breathing. If inhaling is differentiation, exhaling is integration. Yeah, okay, packing lunch and eating. Now everyone brain. Okay. Inhaling and exhaling. Okay, no problem. Basic things we have. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Now, okay. So you got the idea about integration. You have got the idea. But okay, inspiration and okay, no problem. Now don't say that much bio examples. Now just see here. Okay, no problem. Now we'll start with one more part. Just see. Yeah. Now, can you guess? Okay, no problem. Green chip and red chip. बहुत बढ़िया. हो गया भाई. कितना example दोगे? Now, next situation. Yeah. Okay. Achha, tell me how to represent. I was saying differentiation we represent by dy by dx. Can you guess how we represent integration? What is the representation for integration? What is the representation? You have studied, I'm just asking from you. What is the representation for integration? Style is S. Because integration means summation na. Summation start with S na. Summation, integral we pronounce, but actually we represent like this. Just here. Okay, no problem. You can write representation. You can write representation. And see the meaning of everything. Everything is important. How to represent this integration. Once you can see here how we will represent. Yeah. Representation. Okay, no problem. Yeah. See here how things will start. People are knowing. I know everyone knows how to represent integration. But some of the points are there where people feel difficulty. How to pronounce the integration. What are the meaning of all these things? Just see here. Okay, no problem. No problem. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Just see how things will start. How representation starts. Yeah. Always remember, if I have any quantity y, which is function of x. This is how our things started in entire our calculus. This is how things started with function. Here also we are starting with function. So for example, if I say y is function of x. Someone is saying, sir, y is function of x. Now they will ask you, integrate y. You tell me, is it correct? No. Always remember, whenever we do integration, whenever we do differentiation, we always do with respect to something. If someone asks you what is integration of sine x, that is wrong. Sine x with respect to x. Always remember, I will say, if someone say integrate y, wrong. They should say integrate y with respect to x. Why integrate y with respect to x? Because y is function of x. See the process, how things has been designed. If someone is saying, sir, why you are integrating y only with respect to x? Why you are not integrating with respect to time? Because y is function of x. So I will integrate y with respect to x. And this we represent as, dhyan dena, yeah. Someone asked me integration of y with respect to x means summation of y with respect to x. So integration we represent with the help of s. But this is not normal s. This is s written in. Integration means summation, baba. Summation start with s na. So s you will not take in. No, we are not normal people. We are not arts people that will write s in normal manner. We are physics people. We are maths people. Little stylish, yeah. So integration, we write like this. Integration. Whose integration? Y. Integration of y with respect to x. So we'll write that integration y dx. Always remember here y means the function which you are integrating. And here this x means with respect to what you are integrating. You can write this. You can write this. So integration symbol is stylish S. S written in a stylish manner. That is integration. Integration y dx means integration of y with respect to x. Everyone got the idea of representation? कैसे करेंगे represent? Everyone got the idea? आगे बढ़े. आगे बढ़े. So integration means summation. Summation starts with S. S, but you don't write S in normal manner. You have to write S in stylish manner. So that stylish S we have selected for integration. For example, if you understood, you tell me, yeah. How you will pronunciate this? Chalo, how you will pronunciate this? Tomorrow this came. How you will pronunciate this? Whose integration with respect to what? Come on, tell me. You will say, this is how. This means integration. We will say integration of V with respect to T. This is how we pronunciate it. Integration. summation, integration of V with respect to T. For example, if I say ADR, how you pronunciate this? Come on. ADR. No need to say summation. Now you can say integration. You know summation, we use integration for it. Yeah. You'll say integration of A with respect to R. Integration of A with respect to R. This is how we pronounce integration. Is it okay? Sabko samajh mein aaya, chamka? What is meaning of that stylus S? What is first thing? And D, with D what you have, what is that thing? With D is always with respect to what you are integrating. First is the function, second is with respect to what you are integrating. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया चमका सर, बहुत अच्छे समझ गए सर. But sir, tell us the rules of integration. We must know the rule now. This is a method now. So there must be some rules of integration now. Now we'll start with rules of integration. You can write rules of integration. Some rules are there which we will follow for integration. Rules of integration. Simple rules are there which will be used in different chapters of physics. Rules of integration. And it will go in the similar manner. For differentiation, we studied so many rules. Now it will also go in the similar manner. So many rules will come. So you have to keep those rules in your mind. No problem. And first 4 rules will be very important because they will be used everywhere in physics. Yeah. So rules of integration. Okay, no problem. So we'll start with our rule number 1. Rule number 1. See here what is rule number 1. The most famous rule that we have. Bahut badhiya. That is rule number 1. There also we had the same rule number 1. There we were talking about differentiation of x to the power n is nx to the power n minus 1. Here, if someone says, sir, y equal to x to the power n. Same rule. There we studied for differentiation. Now we are studying for integration. Someone says, sir, y equal to x to the power n, and someone asks me, integrate y with respect to x. Y means x to the power n. So integrate x to the power n with respect to x. So rule number 1, yeah, many people are saying the answer. Rule number 1 says integration of x to the power n will come x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Plus constant c. Here we add one constant c. For physics, this c will be 0. For physics, this constant c will not be required. But mathematically, if you see in the book, they will always add constant c at the end of integration. So x to the power n integration will come x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. But tomorrow in physics, this c value will be 0. So directly you can also say x to the power n integration is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. For mathematical purpose, we add constant c. Is it okay? सबको समझ में आया? Integration of x to the power n. एक बार जल्दी से बता दो, त्वरगा. Then I will show you with the help. कितना आसान है. You see, देखो, अरे in differentiation power was decreasing by 1 now. Power was multiplying now. Nx to the power n minus 1. Power was multiplying and power was decreasing. This is reverse now. So power will increase and you will divide by the power. X to the power n integration is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. From our side, we always add constant c to the result of integration. That is for maths people. Tomorrow, after a few days, when we actually use them, you'll see we will never add that constant c. Because for physics, that c will be 0. So directly you can use x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. No problem. I will show you with the help of example. If you are feeling problem, you'll get more idea. Just see. Yeah. Okay. Someone came, just for example, then I will give you 1-2 example. Just for example, someone came and he said to me, AKD, I have to integrate x to the power 4. Can you tell me what is integration of x to the power 4? What is integration of x to the power 4? This is the same form na, x to the power n na. So you know na, x to the power n na, देखो यहाँ पे x to the power n na, x to the power n na, you know na integration formula for x to the power n, x to the power n integration is x to the power n plus 1, n is 4, so 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus constant c. In physics, even if you don't add c, no problem, answer will not change. Yeah, so this will become x to the power 5 by 5 plus c. Yeah, very good. Everyone is saying the answer also very good. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah, but right now we are studying basic maths, so that's why better to add that constant c. Right now, not leave. You can add constant c. In physics, we will not require. There we will directly write x to the power 5 by 5. That's it. Yeah. Come on, for example, if you understood this, next example you will do. करके दिखाओ चलो. करके दिखाओ. Tell me how much it will come. Root x integration. I told you root x means power 1 by 2. Ramya Royal, very good. Ramya Royal has given correct answer. बहुत बढ़िया. Shriram, very good. Anu, very good. Sharanya, Kuddiga mistake undi. Naga Harika, correct. Patan, very good. Hari, very good. Farida, very good. Manish Chala, very good. Bhavani, very good. Anil, very good. Come on, Srinu, very good. Maiti, very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Shruti, very good. Salina, I will simply say, okay, no problem, sir. Under root also, no problem. Parva le do. Under root also, parva le do. Directly you can do. You simply say, sir, I know under root means power 1 by 2 dx. Again same process. You can see, देखो यहाँ पे x to the power n. Wherever x to the power n is there, it will become, integration will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. From your side you can add constant c, because maths is going on, that's why. Otherwise in physics you can ignore, no problem, nothing will change. Yeah, so this will finally become x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 will give you 3 by 2, and here also it will become 1 by 2 plus 1 will give you 3 by 2 plus c. If you want, you can arrange it. This is also correct. If you want, you can bring this 2 here, so this will become 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus constant c. चमका क्या? चमका क्या? Everyone got the idea how to use rule number 1. X to the power n integration is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That's it. X to the power n integration is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. For maths people, we can add constant c. Chalo, if you understood, do one more question. Chalo. एक और क्वेश्चन बना लो. Such integration will not be used in physics, but okay. Come on, I'm waiting for your answer. Ramya Royal, बहुत बढ़िया, very good. Farida, very good. Manish Chala, very good. Harika, very good. Rahman, very good. Sriram, very good. Farheen, very good. Shrinu, very good. Gautami, very good. Darshini, very good. Ananya, very good. Sharanya, very good. Anu, very good. Anil, I think everyone will get. First, you cannot integrate like this. I told you in differentiation also, whenever such situation come, bring it in numerator. X to the power minus 3 dx. Now you will use integration. You will use the formula x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here you can see n is minus 3. So x to the power n integration is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. So this will become finally x to the power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. If you want, you can bring this minus here. So this will become minus x square by x to the power minus 2 by 2 plus c. Is it okay? Shall we move to the rule number 2 पे बढ़े? Rule number 1 आइपो हिंदी. Shall we move to rule number 2? Rule number 2. Shall we move to rule number 2? Yeah, very good. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. So we'll start with rule number 2. We'll talk about rule number 2. Rule number 2. Achha, do you remember in differentiation what was rule number 2? In differentiation what was rule number 2? Do you remember? In differentiation what was rule number 2? कुछ याद है? In differentiation what was rule number 2? जल्दी बताओ. हाँ? In differentiation what was rule number 2? There we talk differentiation of constant. Now we'll talk about integration of constant. This is same rules. Rules will go in the same manner. Same type of rules will come. So now I will talk about, very good, very good. You remember, we studied about differentiation of constant. Now we'll study about integration of constant. So for example, someone says, sir, y is a constant. Y is a constant. No problem. Y is a constant. No problem. Yeah. Let's assume this constant to be c. Let's assume this constant to be c. And someone asked me to integrate y. See what will happen. Someone asked me to integrate this y with respect to x. So I'll say, sir, you are talking about integration of constant with respect to x. So always remember, integration of constant c with respect to x will give you cx. Integration of constant c with respect to x will give you cx plus. I'm saying, you know, every time you have to add one constant. So already we have assumed one constant c. So other constant which you will add for as per the maths will be now c dash. Because already we have taken c, so that's why here I'm adding c dash. Is it okay? Constant differentiation was 0, but constant integration will be cx. If constant is c, its integration will be cx. Bolo, 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 bolo. Yeah, maybe you are feeling little confused, sir. What you are doing, it's very easy. For example, देख लो एक बार देख लो. It's so easy. For example, someone says, I will talk about one example. Someone asked me to integrate 5 with respect to x. It will come 5x plus constant c. कितना आसान है? 5 integration 5x. For example, someone came and he asked me to integrate 2 with respect to x. Can you tell me how much it will come? 2 with respect to x, how much it will come? 2 with respect to x, how much it will come? 2x. Plus we add, as per the maths, we add one constant c. For example, someone said me, the second rule I'm talking about, someone said me, sir, what is the integration of 1 with respect to x? It will give you 1x plus c. Or you can simply say x plus c. This is rule number 2. Differentiation of constant c will be cx plus constant c dash. No problem. We can add it because we know every time to satisfy maths, we add constant c to the result of integration. As per our physics, that c will be 0. But right now we are talking about maths. That's why we are adding constant c. Is it okay? Done? समझ में आया क्या? Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. अच्छा, come on, tell me. What is integration of 10? What is integration of 10? What is integration? Come on, using rule number 2. Tell me what is integration of 10? Integration of 10, jaldi batao. What is integration of 10? Dhyan do. This is the point I was talking about. First thing, this question is wrong. With respect, always remember, 10 integration will be not always 10x. It can be 10t also. It can be 10 theta also. Depends on with respect to what you are doing. For example, I ask you the integration. For example, someone asks you, what is integration of 10 with respect to t? Can you tell me what is the answer now? Now you will not write 10x. These are the mistakes which students do. Now you say, sir, here you are. I told you integration of constant with c with respect to x was cx. C with respect to t will become ct. C with respect to z will become cz. Here 10 with respect to t will give you 10t plus some constant c. For example, someone asks you, what is integration of 20 dz? What is the value of integration 20 dz? Don't say 20 integration will be 20x. No. Here we are integrating with respect to z. So this will become 20z plus constant c. So this is how you have to be careful. Chamka kya? Did you got the idea what is meaning of with respect to what we are integrating? That is what is coming here. So 10 integration is not always 10x. It can be 10t also. It can be 10z also. It can be 10y also. Depends with respect to what you are integrating. बहुत बढ़िया. So rule number 2 I को हिंदी. Now we'll move towards rule number 3. Shall we move towards rule number 3? आगे बढ़े. Rule number 3 पे बढ़े. चलो ठीक है. Okay, no problem. We'll combine all the rules. Then we will study questions from there. Yeah. Okay. हाँ. Rule number 3. Your favorite rule. Acha, in differentiation, what was rule number 3? In differentiation, what was rule number 3? When we studied differentiation, what was rule number 3? In differentiation, what was rule number 3? Rule of respect. There we gave respect. Here also same thing. Always remember, respect is something which you have to give every time. Whether it is differentiation, whether if I am your teacher, if you respect me, if I meet you in the mall also, you'll give me respect. If I meet you on the road also, you'll give me respect. Doesn't matter. Respect is something which will be given every time. So same thing is rule number 3. For example, someone says, sir, I have y equal to c into x to the power n. Same thing. Again, you can see constant multiplied with the variable. I told you whenever constant is multiplied with the variable, in differentiation also I told you same thing will happen in integration also. Whenever any constant is multiplied with the variable while differentiating or integrating, give respect to the constant. Constant will not participate. Leave it. Integrate remaining part. So same thing will happen here. If you integrate this, if you are integrating this y with respect to x, that means if you are integrating y means c into x to the power n with respect to x. This c will not participate. It will come out of integration. It will remain as it is. And you have to integrate x to the power n. Whose integration you are already knowing. So this will become c x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Plus some constant you can add. Here I am again saying that constant to be c dash. Point is, baat kya hai sir? Will I remember this formula? No need to remember. Only remember, constant in multiplication will not participate in integration. In differentiation also it did not participate. In integration also will not participate in integration. This is what we have to do. Remaining things will integrate. Nothing to worry. Is it okay? समझ में आया क्या? Already we have one constant c. That's why I am taking new constant c dash there. समझ गए क्या? For example, I will show you with the help of one example. Don't worry. Maybe some people are feeling, sir, what is that? What is constant multiplied? Don't touch it. Remaining things integrate, you'll get the answer. For example, dekh lo ek baar. For example, someone came and he said to me, sir, integrate 5x to the power 4 with respect to x. What I will do? 5x to the power 4 with respect to x. Again, what you will do? You see constant 5 multiplied now. Don't touch 5. 5 will remain as it is. X to the power 4 you will integrate. X to the power n. X to the power n plus 1. 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus constant c. Now from here you can get, this is also 5, this is also 5 cancel. So this will become x to the power 5 plus c. समझ में आ रहा है बात? Constant in multiplication will not participate. If you understood this, come on, do one more example. One example now you will do. Come on, you can do this example. Yeah. You have to tell me. Tell me how much its value will come. बहुत ही आसान है, इट्स वेरी इजी. इंटीग्रेशन स्पेशली इज मोर इजी. क्या है सर? 3 will not participate. We know whenever any constant is multiplied, constant do not participate. So 3 will remain as it is. X square integration we can do x to the power n, same thing, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. Now from here this will become 3x cube by 3 plus c. 3 cancel, it will become x cube plus c. Very good, everyone has given answer also. Chamka kya? Everyone got the idea? बोलो 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 बोलो. Rule number 3 IPO-ND, same respect we have to give here also. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. So now we'll start with rule number 4. Rule number 4 we will start. Yeah. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah, बहुत बढ़िया, very good, बहुत बढ़िया, super. Sir, same thing, same rule. Sir, respect is something which we have to do every time. Doesn't matter, sir. Integration or difference. So wherever constant is multiplied, we will not touch the constant. Remaining things will integrate. That is our rule number 3. Now we'll move towards rule number 4. Rule number 4. Rule number 4. Can you guess what will be rule number 4? सोच सकते हो क्या? What was rule number 4 in differentiation? 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 बताओ. हाँ? अरे not e to the power x, Baba. 1 by 1. Mahesh Babu, people are stuck. Yeah, that will come. Don't worry. Yeah. Same thing, 1 by 1. For example, someone says you, if my function y is u plus minus v plus minus w, same as starter undi, main course undi, dessert undi, you cannot mix and eat. 1 by 1 you would differentiate. Same thing you will do here. If someone asks you to integrate y with respect to x, you will say, sir, u is also there, v is also there, w is also there, I cannot integrate all together. So what I will do? 1 by 1. Okati time lo okati differentiation, integration. So first I will integrate u with respect to x, then I will integrate v with respect to x, then I will integrate w with respect to x. Point is 1 by 1. Okate time lo okate differentiation. 1 by 1 okate time lo okate integration. 1 by 1 integration you have to do. Is it okay? समझ गए क्या? हाँ, noodles, biryani and ice cream. Sri Ram, you remember that? Wow. In starter, noodle, main course, biryani and ice cream. And wow. No problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah. For example, I will show you with the help of one example. Then I will give you another example. You will do the next one. One I will do. For example, someone came and he came to me and he asked directly, AKD sir, you are saying you can do integration. So I am giving you y equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1. And sir, you integrate it. Integrate it, sir. Integrate this. Integrate y. Integrate y means integrate 3x square plus 2x plus 1 with respect to x. How I will integrate? क्या करूंगा मैं? I will say noodles undi, biryani undi, ice cream undi. Don't mix and eat. 1 time 1. So first I will integrate 3x square. When you integrate 3x square, 3 will not participate. X square integration, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Again, for this, 2 will not participate. Here x to the power 1. So it will become x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. And 1 integration, you know, you are knowing integration of constant c is cx. So integration of 1 is 1x. Now this will be cancelled. Here no need to cancel anything. So finally answer will come. X cube plus x square plus x plus constant c you can add from your side. Is it okay? समझ गए क्या? दे दूं एक इंटीग्रेशन? Shall I give you one integration? करोगे? हाँ चलो ठीक है do two I will two questions I will give from here, no problem. It is easy, I know, no problem. Yeah, so you have to integrate these things. This type of integration will be used in work power energy. Don't do mistake. Ramya Royal has given answer for the first one. Very good, Ramya. Farida, very good. Sri Ram, very good. They have given answer for the first one. Manish Chala, very good. Naga Harika, very good. Shruti, very good. Rami Reddy, which answer you have given? XQ plus C, I don't understand. Priya, very good. Preeti, very good. Mohammad Navid, very good. Banna, very good. Aditya, very good. Srijan Reddy, very good. Nikita, very good. Srinu, very good. Ramya Royal has given answer for the second one also. Very good. Ramya, all answers correct. Anu has also given answer for first one. Anu, you have given, I think. But still some mistake undi. Anil has also given answer. Silisha, Joshna, Shatvik, Sharanya. Okay, no problem. Avinash. Farida has answer given answer for second one. Very good. Laveru has given answer for the second one. Very good. Manish Chala, second one. Very good. Sri Ram answer for second one. Very good. Kirtana, very good. Now people are giving answer for second one. Sri Ram, very good. Naga Harika, very good. Salini, very good. Rahman, very good. Ananya, very good. I think everyone has given correct answer. But I will write the answer, then I will ask how many of you got this answer correct. No problem. I feel everyone has understood, nothing to worry, sir. Once you said, sir, we are smart people. We understand the things fast. Nothing to worry, sir. Yeah. So first one answer will become, you know, all are added together. You cannot integrate at once. So one at a time. So first we'll integrate 4x cube. That will become 4x to the power 4 by 4 plus 3. 3 will remain as it is. X square integration will become x to the power 3 by 3. 2x integration 2 will remain as it is. X integration will become x to the power, x means power 1. X to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1. Plus 1 integration will become x plus c. Now you can cancel this. I have given such arranged manner. So this will become x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 plus x plus c. This is the answer for the first one. Bahut badhiya, everyone has got. Second one we know, sir, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will become, sir, x cube by 3. This will become x to the power 4 by 4. And this will become x to the power 5 by 5 plus constant c. How many of you got both correct? Bata do. How many of you got both correct? You can say me. Chintu, after a long time, given answer. Vijay got, Ananya got, Preeti got, Farida got, Srinu got, Chintu got, Hari got, Joshna got, Swati got. Who is type? You are typing fast or I am seeing fast? Munna got, Blessy got, Salini got, Saidi got, Niharika got, Esha got, Aril got, Savya got, Nikita got, Mohammad got, Anand got, Anuga got. Creative soul. Wow, creative soul. Your answer came for the first time in the day. Sila got, Bindu got, Sri Ram got, Chalamani's got, Priya got, Anu got, Naga Harika, Sri Ram, Ramant, Slisa, Madhu, everyone got. Yeah, everyone got. Is it okay? Is it okay? हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. Kitna very good, Farida very good. Everyone got. Yeah. Is it okay? Sharanya also got. Yeah. So up to this we'll study today. Remaining rules will start in the next class. Is it okay? Is it okay? Huh? What's your feeling nowadays? Does people are asking your marks in the home, nearby, relative? Are they asking your marks? How many marks you got? What you are planning for future? Are they asking? Are they asking? How many marks you are getting this year in NEET? What you are planning? What you are saying to them? Are you able to reply them? Are you able to reply them? Huh? Always remember, no need to reply by words. Reply by your action. Reply by you. That is best. Preeti, just smile them. Keep that pain in the heart. When a human being works with pain, he will deliver it. Always remember, make that pain as fire inside your heart, as a fire inside your brain, and work hard and make their mouth shut up with your marks next year. Make their mouth, make their head down by your marks, not by words. Don't fight with them in words. Show them that this year I am failure. Next year people will give my example. Next year people will give my example. And don't say this thing to them. Keep that pain in your heart. The more down they will look you, and if you work hard, more success you will get. So always remember, this year you may have tasted the failure, but next year is another year. Another NEET will come. Another 1 year I will work hard and I will get the best rank that I can get in NEET 2024. Work according to that. Work according to that. All the best. Come on. Yeah. All of you are rock star. You have to rock it. Just do that hard work. Do that hard work. Get the best seat. Make everyone mouth sealed. Seal kar do. Seal ka thappa laga do muh pe by doing hard work. So that's how you can give reply to them. All the best. I know you will do it. For today, we'll end here. More situation we'll study in the next class. Ee roju class aipoyindi. Come on. Tata, bye bye. Take care. Bye bye bye. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Come on.